This video is about organizing Alex. Not my friend Alex, not that there is actually a friend called Alex, but Alex the desk from IKEA. When I moved from my house to this apartment, I couldn't bring my desk because it was a built-in situation. I needed something to work at pretty quickly though, so my search began. I looked at all kinds of fancy expensive solutions, but none of them were the right size or had the function I needed. This is a one-bedroom apartment with an open-plan kitchen and living room, and I knew I wanted the desk in the bedroom. I know that's not ideal, but since I keep things pretty tidy, I wasn't really worried about having a desk in the bedroom would stress me out or make me think about work in my place of rest. So enter Alex. I had a previous encounter with Alex at my friend Anne's mom's place where I helped assemble an office worth of furniture a couple of years ago, so I kind of knew what to expect. There are 2 shallow drawers and a cable management compartment, and that's pretty much it. The body's painted particle board and the base is metal, which I like. The look is minimal and Scandinavian, which I also like. On top, I pretty much just keep my iMac, my MacBook and a desk light. There's also a cup with some pens and scissors. Oh, and the Empire State Building, of course. When I moved in, I kept a stack of plastic drawers from Muji next to the desk, but I recently donated a lot of the craft supplies that were in there, and some of the pieces I kept I needed to house in the Alex desk along with what was already there. I also had way more pens and markers than I'll ever need. They came from when the place I used to work at shut the Stockholm office down this summer, and we were able to take some supplies. I got a bit greedy when I saw my favorite pens, pencils and markers up for grabs. Now I realized I had way too much and was eager to sort the mess out, since it wasn't exactly up to my minimizing standards. I started by taking everything out and sorting it roughly. After I decided what to keep, I added these small clear drawer organizers in the right side drawer. I've had them for years and have used them in all sorts of places before, like in the bathroom, kitchen, for tools, and for organizing office supplies at my old job. Not sure if these exact ones are still available, but if I find a link, I'll put it in the description box below. If not, you can easily replicate the look with any organizers. It's a matter of Tetris, basically. There are a few gaps in my game, but I make them work. I keep my pens, pencils, and markers in the longer compartments at the back, along with the other longer items where I can easily grab the ends and pull them out. Smaller items go in the smaller organizers. Makes sense, right? In the left drawer, I added a couple of acrylic containers to just roughly divide the items. In this drawer, I keep the notebooks where I jot down video editing tips and tricks, some sticky notepads, a lip balm, and reading glass case, plus passport and vaccination certificates. I also keep some clear folders here with papers that I reach for often or papers I need to deal with soonish. Here's the pile I was left with after sorting it all out. This lot I decided to bring to work. It will come in handy there, I'm sure. And after doing the scribble test, these were not working or had other issues. And that's how I organize Alex. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps my channel when you do. please also consider subscribing. I'll continue to share all things Scandinavian from my apartment here in Stockholm and beyond. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.